चालू रखें। नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम के 9 राउंड्स करेंगे। सांस लेते रहें, छोड़ते रहें। Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Continue deep breaths. नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम। लेफ्ट से सांस लेंगे और राइट से छोड़ेंगे। राइट से लेंगे और लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे। लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ्स। लंबी गहरी सांसें। और विश्राम करें, रिलैक्स करें। अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करेंगे। सभी को आता है भ्रामरी कैसे करते हैं? आंखें बंद करेंगे और कानों के इधर आपका एक छोटा सा हिस्सा होता है जो जो कि बाहर निकला होता है। दिस इज स्मॉल पोर्शन हियर, राइट। इसको आप बंद करेंगे अपने कानों पे, ठीक है, राइट। देयर इज अ स्मॉल पोर्शन विच इज कमिंग आउट हियर, राइट। सो इस स्मॉल पोर्शन को आप क्या करेंगे, अपने कानों से कानों को बंद करेंगे और ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे, ठीक है। और अभी हम लोग भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करते हैं और वी विल मेक द हमिंग साउंड। Eyes closed. Let's make a humming sound. And relax. Eyes closed. पूरा ध्यान अपनी सांसों की ओर। Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath and breathe out completely. चलिए, अभी हम लोग क्या है, थोड़ा सूक्ष्म प्राणायाम कर लेते हैं। लॉकडाउन में क्या है, वी आर यूजिंग आवर नेक टू मच। तो नेक क्यों क्या करेंगे हम लोग, बैकवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड, बैकवर्ड, जितना टाइम बैकवर्ड रह सकते हैं, होल्ड इट एंड डाउनवर्ड, बैकवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड। ठीक है, अभी लेफ्ट एंड राइट करेंगे। राइट, सेंटर, लेफ्ट, सेंटर, राइट, सेंटर, लेफ्ट, सेंटर। अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कंधों को, सभी को आता है ना बल्ले बल्ले करना, हाँ? तो कंधों को क्या करना है, बस ऐसे ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे, हाँ? बल्ले बल्ले करते हैं। ऊपर कान तक लेके जाएंगे और नीचे, ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे, नीचे। Very nice, huh? Because we are using our neck and our shoulder are very freeze position. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, कंधों को ऐसे रखेंगे और इनको रोटेट करेंगे with a smile on our face. Breathe in half circle में and breathe out half circle. Breathe in and breathe out. अभी backward to forward, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and वेरी नाइस। अभी क्या करेंगे, हम अपनी रिस्ट को घुमा लेते हैं, हाँ, क्लॉकवाइज एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज। चाहें तो आप लोग वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं सो दैट यू कैन सी कि आप सही कर रहे हैं। एंड रिलैक्स। ठीक है, अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस निकाल लेते हैं। हाथ ऐसे आगे लेके जाएंगे और ब्रीद आउट करेंगे। सारा स्ट्रेस निकाल रहे हैं, स्माइल एंड रिलैक्स। विश्राम करें। अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हाथ जाएंगे ऐसे ऊपर, नमस्कार करेंगे। अब हाथों को ऊपर की ओर पंप करेंगे। दीज आर, वी आर जस्ट डूइंग वार्म अप फॉर आवर लंग्स। हाँ, ब्रीद आउट करिए। एंड रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें। टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड ब्रीद आउट कंप्लीटली। एक बार और गहरी सांस अंदर और जाने दें। रेडी फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड। हाथ ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, नमस्कार करेंगे एंड वी विल पंप आवर लंग्स। ब्रीद आउट करते हुए हाथ ऊपर जाएंगे। एंड रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड ब्रीद आउट कंप्लीटली। One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Now ready? Again take your hands up. ऊपर की तरफ पंप्स करेंगे. And relax, विश्राम करें. Palm facing the ceiling, eyes closed. Feel the flow of energy. आंखें बंद करेंगे. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. अब हम लोग 3 बार ओमकार का चैंटिंग करेंगे. ब्रीद इन फॉर ओम. मन ही मन अपने परिवार गण के सभी सदस्यों को ब्लेसिंग्स भेज दें. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, breathe out. Send blessings to your family members. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Send blessings to all the Corona warrior. जितने भी कोरोना वॉरियर हैं, हम सभी के लिए हम लोग प्रार्थना करेंगे. अभी हम लोग ओम नमः शिवाय चैंटिंग करेंगे और मन ही मन जो भी लोग इस बीमारी से जूझ रहे हैं उन सभी के लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Now we will do the Om Namah Shivaya chanting. आंखें बंद रखेंगे. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. ओम नमः शिवाय। 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 ओम नमः शिवाय।
ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय ॐ 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 नमः शिवाय
आइज क्लोज, आंखें बंद रखेंगे। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन and breathe out completely. One more time, take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Send blessings to everyone. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. मन ही मन सभी के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। सभी लोग स्वस्थ रहें, सभी के जीवन में खुशियाँ आए। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शांति शांति शांति। And slowly and gradually we may open our eyes. धीरे धीरे मुस्कुराते हुए अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Now we will do the immunity booster exercise with Gurudev.
Welcome to day 3 of the breathing and meditation journey with Gurudev. We take close to 24,000 breaths in a day, in the 24 hours, whether we are awake or sleeping. And if we are doing this wrong, then imagine we are making 24,000 mistakes in a day. We eat 2 kgs of food, 3 liters of water, and almost 12,000 liters of air we take in. All that oxygen that is coming in, which is only 20% of the air, goes into the alveoli, the air sacs of the lungs, and then it gets into the bloodstream. And through the red blood corpuscles, then it is sent to all the tissues and the organs of the body. And that affects the brain, the endocrine system, and everything else. Meanwhile, waste gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, is exchanged and filtered out. So the second biggest detox of the body is exercise and sweating it out. But the biggest detox is breathing. 70 to 80% of the toxins in the body are thrown out via the breath. Yoga and Ayurveda have long focused on enhancing the body's breathing capabilities and using our breath to calm and sharpen our mind and strengthen our body. Every day we are learning yogic exercises to optimize the body's oxygen capability and enhancing our immunity. The Art of Living has also brought effective Ayurvedic measures to tackle COVID-19 and make us safer and healthier. Kabasur Kudineer and Amrit tablets, which are part of the Shri Shri Tattva Immunity Kit, have proven excellent in preventing COVID-19 and are also highly effective in treating the mild symptoms of the virus. The dosage is light and can be consumed without fear of side effects. Even the Madras High Court said in September 2020 that Kabasur Kudineer is one of the best anti-COVID measures we have. You can buy these medicines and the immunity kit at Shri Shri Tattva stores or even order them online. Let's start with today's exercises. Let's start today's breathing exercises with Bhastrika. Hands in the starting position, loose fist beside the shoulders, elbows comfortably close to the body. With the eyes closed, we take a transition breath in, fill up the lungs, and we empty the lungs. Squeeze the stomach and the chest. With the arms, breathe in, out, up, down, up, down, up, down. And relax. Palms on the laps, open upwards. Gentle deep breaths. Feel slight warmth, the flow of energy in the whole body. Second round. Mindfully get into the starting position. Breathe in and breathe out. With the movement of the arms, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. And relax. Gentle deep breaths, energetically feel the whole body. Last round. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And with the arms, breathe in, out, up, down. And relax. With a gentle smile, you may open your eyes. Notice how every cell feels oxygenated and full of energy. Now, let's learn a very interesting pranayam called the Bhramari pranayam. Bhramar means a bee. How the bee does a high-pitched humming, we're going to do that, but keeping our fingers like this. The little finger below the lips, the ring finger above the lips, the middle finger on the nose, the index finger the side of the eyes, and we use the thumb to close the flap of the ears and open it as we are making the humming sound. So, because you're closing and opening the flap of the ear, you will hear a you'll hear this kind of a sound, okay? And this is very good to calm the entire nervous system. It will really help you go deeper into your sleep rhythms and wake up fresh. So, let's do that. The 5 fingers placed properly. We're going to do 5 breaths. Breathe in deeply, and as we breathe out, high-pitched humming sound while opening and closing the ears. Breathe in. Let's relax. With gentle deep breaths, feel the stillness, the silence within. And gently you may open your eyes. Many times you don't feel like opening your eyes. It's such a calm within. Let's continue with this serenity with the Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, the alternate nostril breathing. Breathing through each of the nostrils has its own effect on the brain, on the body, on the mind. Let's experience that. Left hand is in Chin Mudra, tips of the index finger and the thumb gently touching. Last three fingers are together, outstretched. The right hand, index finger and middle finger touches in between the eyebrows, and gently closing the right nostril, we breathe out from the left. Empty the lungs, hold. Breathe in through the same. Hold. And breathe out through the right. Hold. Breathe in through the same. Hold. And breathe out through the other, the left. Hold. And continue. For 7 to 8 breaths. For 7 to 8 rounds, alternating the flow of the breath. Make the breath as slow and long as you can, as full and deep as you can. You're not focusing or concentrating anywhere, just a gentle, joyful attention in between the eyebrows and the flow of the breath. The body is not stiff anywhere. Soften the body, yet keeping it still. Nice and slow, couple more rounds. And relax after you breathe out from the right nostril. The breath becomes soft and subtle, calm. So does the body and mind. You may gently open your eyes. Do you notice? Breath is that which can strengthen the body, it can sharpen and relax the mind, and it can uplift the spirit. Today's meditation by Gurudev will make us aware of this deep connection between these three and to use the breath to invigorate our body and mind. You can also stay connected and updated throughout this entire journey by joining the WhatsApp groups, the link to which is given in the description of this video. So let's get started with the meditation. Let's sit back with a smile, relax, and enjoy the meditation with Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar.
And keep our spine erect, body relaxed, and our eyes closed. Today's theme will be love. Let's keep our spine erect and body relaxed. Become aware of your whole body. Your body is made up of billions and trillions of cells, and they're all held together as one human body. There is great affinity between all the cells of your body, that's so they are staying as a single body. Honor your own body. Let's take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let us become aware of the air that's all around our body and inside the body. Breathe in again and breathe out. Let us become aware of our environment. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let us feel the air all around us and inside of us. Incoming breath energizes the body and outgoing breath brings relaxation. Let us become familiar with this phenomenon. Let us breathe in, hold the breath and relax. And let the breath come out on its own. We're only breathing in and hold for a few seconds, and then we let go and let the breath come out on its own. The earth that we are on loves us dearly. She expresses her love with the gravitational force, providing us food and water, warmth, and a place to rest. "70% of body is a water element. Water gushes. Fluid flows in our body and keeping us alive. Apaha, the word for water in Sanskrit, also means love. Water vapors and comes down as rain. The entire creation is filled with love. In birds chirping, in the dogs barking, in everything in nature, there is love. There is affinity. Let us recognize this. Your origin has been love. It's the love of your parents that brought you here on the planet. The air loves you, that's why it goes in and out of you. It embraces you from all sides. Let's breathe in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Beyond all the emotions, you are love, a fountain of love. You're not your thoughts or your emotions, not even the experiences we get, nor the sensations in the body. You are pure light and a fountain of love. Repose in yourself. There's nothing to do now and nothing to know either. Let go of all your efforts. Love cannot be attained through effort. So is meditation. Let go of all that concepts. Let go of all your tendency to do something. This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Time to make the transition from doing to being. Just be. And let all our faculties take deep rest. Constant effort tires the body. And ambitions have tired the mind. This moment, let us keep it aside and repose in ourselves. Another deep breath in, and as you breathe out, allow your mind to cool down and calm down. Time to take deep rest by abiding in ourselves, reposing in oneself. Notice the breath is cooling down, mind is calming down, and body is blossoming in relaxation. Let every cell in our body start relaxing right away. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Become aware of the space in the entire room you are sitting in. Let our mind soar to the ceiling and beyond. Let it go wherever it wants to. The mind expands more and more when we do nothing. Let go of all control and just be. Love is permeating in every particle of this entire creation. Some places it's not obvious, but it is still there. Whatever sensations are arising, just let them be. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Let's take another deep breath in with a smile and slowly breathe out with a smile. Notice the temperature of the breath, the length of the breath, the volume of it. And another deep breath in. Acknowledge the love that you receive from the entire creation, making you strong. And as you breathe out, you may gently open your eyes. Take your own time.
How was it? कैसा लगा सबको? You can unmute yourself. Very nice. So this we will continue. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's everybody can join before 7:50.
Vaccination ये कोरोना पॉजिटिव
Hello. Hi.
पॉजिटिव है
Very nice lecture. Very nice lecture. Yeah, my option है.
वैक्सीनेशन के ये 21 और 31 है वो दो
आ रहे लिखे हुए
ये
योगा कैसे करना है
सभी लोग
अभी साइकिलिंग भी तो करता था, अब बंद हो गई होगी. अब
what we can do is one by one we can talk. Huh? So who would like to talk first can raise your hand, right? And then we will take it forward. Who has raised the hand? सुरभि जी, आप बोलना चाहते हैं फर्स्ट? डिम्पल जी, who would like to start first? Sanjeev ji, okay. Sanjeev ji, you can unmute yourself and can share. Yeah.
Excellent experience. Excellent. I have done courses previously also, but this meditation is just priceless. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Very nice. Natasha ji?
Yes, actually, I'm new to meditation. I'm not yet fully into it. It will take some time because never done meditation earlier as such. So maybe with time, I will start meditating really, you know.
But how was the experience?
It was nice, very nice.
So this is how you already started.
Yes.
Okay. Dimple ji?
I'm feeling really very grateful. Thank you so much.
Thanks to Guruji, huh? He is
Yes.
taking care of.
I'm feeling yes, very very good experience with.
Very nice. Huh? आकांक्षा जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आकांक्षा कपूर जी, you can unmute yourself. Huh?
Thank you so much. It was a very nice, relaxing experience. I agree with Dr. I also am very new to meditation, so it will take some time, but I'm going forward towards that. Thank you so much.
सक्षम, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? आशीष जी, आशा जी, अनिल महाजन जी, anybody would like to speak? If anybody would like to speak, you can unmute yourself and can share. माधवी जी, AK गुप्ता सर, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? इंदू जी, सोनल जी, गीता जी, रत्ना जी, anybody would like to share? Murli sir.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Sonal here. I would like to just say that it was a great session. I joined it in between and would like to join in tomorrow with my mother and my sister from Copenhagen. I've just shared the links with them. And I think it was absolutely relaxing exercise during these times when we are all going through difficult situations. So I think, yes, it's absolutely relaxing. It's a great timing and thank you.
Yes. तो सभी लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका लाभ उठा सके. We should share with maximum people. हाँ, लोग you never know आपके थोड़े से एफर्ट से किसकी जान बच सकती है. Who can come out from a very, from a very difficult situation. We don't know. Rajiv ji.
Absolutely, I'll agree with you because me and my mother has just come out of COVID being positive. So we were positive for the last 15 days and now we are both negative. But there are still, those long haul symptoms of COVID. So I think it's the best time to say that yoga and meditation is the way forward. So absolutely, thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much. Madhvi ji. चलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, टुमारो वी विल सी अगेन 7:15. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू लॉग इन बिफोर 7:50. हाँ, और एक रिक्वेस्ट है, सब लोग प्लीज़ अपने आप को म्यूट रखा कीजिए जब सेशन चले. उसके बाद हम आपको जो भी कुछ बोलना है, कुछ रिक्वेस्ट है, वी कैन टॉक आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर द सेशन इज ओवर. हाँ, कैन वी डू दैट? और सब लोग पानी बहुत पिएंगे. हाँ, ड्रिंक लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर. वाटर अपने आप में एक थेरेपी है. इफ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट लॉट ऑफ फूड, वाटर थेरेपी. सब लोग बहुत पानी पिएंगे, ठीक है? और हेल्दी फूड खाइए, विटामिन सी लीजिए. आई थिंक देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, बट वाटर बहुत ही अच्छा नेचुरल. हमारी बॉडी में 70% वाटर होता है. सो सब लोग बहुत पानी पिए और बहुत खुश रहिए. कुछ नहीं होगा कोरोना से. वी ऑल विल बी ऑल राइट. हाँ, चलिए, सी यू ऑल टुमारो शार्प एट 7:15. ओके, बाय बाय.
Okay, bye. Thank you.